Hi friends, today the topic is Python variable names. Okay, variable names. A variable can have a short name like x, y, a, b, c like that, or more descriptive names, age, car name, house name, college name like that. So there are some rules to write the various variables. Okay. Okay, these are the rules for to assign the variable names. A variable name must start with a letter or underscore character. Okay. For example, example, my name is equal to, you are representing this. Okay. Here variable name start with letter. Okay, that is. Okay. Next one is or underscore character. Underscore means, for example, if you take this my name is equal to like that, you can try. Okay, that is the actual first point. A variable name must start with a letter or underscore character. Okay, and the second point is a variable name cannot start with a number. Okay, this is for example 1. Example 1 for this. And this is example for this is a variable name cannot start with a number. For example, number 2, my name is equal to like this. Okay. So this type of instructions are not legal. You will get syntax error. Not start with that. Okay. For example, space, my name space, my space name, then you can write the name. Okay. This type of instructions also not valid. A variable name cannot start with a number. That is the meaning of this. And the third one is a variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscore value. That means from capital A to A to Z, either small or capital, whatever, 0 to 9 and underscore values. Okay. For example, this is the actual example. Then you can write various expression of this here, underscore my, next you are using underscore name, you can write the name. This type of instruction is valid. Okay. Next, middle of the instruction you may use the capital letters. Okay, my name, this one is. Okay. Next, numbers you can use in middle of the variable. Simply you can take my name number 9 is equal to quotation. Like that you have to write. So this is the actual procedure for legal. So these are all are legal names. Here these are illegal names. That is the difference between Python variable names. Okay, the same concept you can write the expression for multi-votes variable name. So that is actual, and the extension of this is that is multi-votes variable names. Okay. In this case here, variable names with more than one word can be difficult to read. For example, it has total there are 3 types of expressions. One is camel case, next one is Pascal case, next third one is snake case. What is meant by camel case? Camel case is, that is meaning is here, each word except the first start with a capital letter, except the first start with a capital letter. So, simply here each word, that is camel case is here, each word except the first start with a capital letter. For example, this is actual example for this is here, my name, here first word is small letter, next one is capital. My name, my name is, you are writing this, except the first word, remaining all are start with capital letters. Simply you can write this. This is the example for camel case. What is meant by Pascal case? Each word starts with a capital letter. For example, my college name, like that you are writing this. Okay. Similarly, another example for this snake case, each word is separated by an underscore character. The example for this is, you are writing either small or capital, simply you can take my underscore, here underscore, my college underscore name, then you can write assign the name. This is the representation of this. So, here Python variable names, these are the rules. Based on this you can design the multi words variable names. Thank you. Okay, let us implement in Python variable names in PyCharm. So, I am taking that here my city name is equal to, writing that what type of variable names are acceptable. So, just now I explained that what type of format we are considering. This in single or double quotation we are considering expression for this, that is actually Hyderabad. This is my city, here my city name is like this here. Now I am writing that what type of variables are acceptable this. Here my city name, like that you can take. Another one is you can take my, okay, underscore values also. My underscore city name is equal to same expression of this, that is actual Hyderabad, control C and control V, like that. Next, I mean right now I am writing all are legal names. Otherwise you may start with underscore and my and underscore, then you can take city name. City name is equal to same, that means Hyderabad. Okay, this type of data also acceptable. Sometimes you may take that small my, that is a my, and you can take that middle of the letter is capital, city name, like that. One of the letter is capital. The type of data also acceptable. So, like that we are considering. Next, we are considering that, I mean all are capital letters. All are capital letters. You know, my city name is equal to Hyderabad. The type of data also acceptable. Sometimes you may considering this here, my city name, and at the end of this we are taking the number also. Then you can write this. All type of errors you will be get. So how can you change that expression is simply we are considering this. So step by step, you know, right click and go to debug main. Then you will be get this type of red mark and press F8. Then you will be get green mark, blue color. Press F8. You will be get this, here my city name is Hyderabad. whenever you are getting this type of date, that is actual valid. Next you are getting press F8. So my underscore city name also you are getting the table, and then press underscore my name city name, like that you will be get same. Okay, and one of the characters is capital, then that type of date also acceptable. And if you take all are capital letters, that is you will be get this. And next one is one of the if you take any number, like that you will be get. So otherwise you can check that example for the same concept is you are writing that print of you are taking the first one, otherwise you are writing this here print of same, Control C and V. Next same instruction, print of same variable, Control C and V. Next print of underscore my underscore city name, then you will get same. Then you can write print of one of the characters is capital, then you can write Control V. Next print of all are capital letters, Control C and Control V. Then you can take the last one, copy and paste, like that. Then you can run the process. So go to that right click and press run button, and in this function you will get all are executable. So these functions are legal names, and sometimes you may consider that illegal variable names. What type of illegal names we are going to discuss? So simply in this concept we are considering if any one of the variable starts with numbers. For example, my city name, before that we are writing 2 my city number, and we are writing the 2 here. Okay, but the type of data is not possible to execute this. So simply that we run the process, you will be get one error, that is actual syntax error. So 2, so invalid decimal literal, that is the digit, that is the syntax error for this. So that's why you may avoid that. So simply you can remove that, and you can remove that. And one more concept is underscore is valid, but hyphen value is not valid. Simply in a small dash, like that. So my dash city name, so simply that underscore is removed and that is replaced by dash, hyphen, like that. Whenever you are having this type of instruction, if you run the process, you will get error. Run main, then you will get error, that is called as here. This is whenever you are having this type of dash symbol, you will get error that cannot assign to express here. Okay, maybe you mean that double equal or like that instead of that, that's why you are writing this. So this is actual one more error, that's why you can remove that, and you can write underscore value, and there also you are writing underscore value. And one more illegal values, if you take the variable should be in either this type of middle of the number, maybe numbers or underscore value, but don't have any space. For example, if you take last one is my